Kumpiyansa ang Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology o PHIVOLCS na mas handa na ang bansa kumpara sa mga nagdaang dekada. Sa ngayon, nilalatag na ang iba't ibang contingency plans kung sakaling tumama muli ang isang malakas na lindol sa bansa. Aktibo rin ang pag-assess sa mga gusali sa mga fault-prone area sa tulong ng Department of Public Works and Highways at iba pang ahensya. Samantala, maaari namang bisitahin ang How Safe is My House app at Hazard Hunter PH para i-monitor ang earthquake resilient ba ang isang lokasyon.
I would say that we're more prepared now, but there are still challenges. For instance, yung density ng population, Metro Manila is densely populated with more than 13 million inhabitants. So kapag mag 7.2, it would be really difficult to mobilize, yung mga teams to help. That's the reason why ang ginawa ng Office of the Civil Defense, meron tayong tinatawag na twinning. Certain regions of the country are assigned to help, say, the eastern portion of Metro Manila. Others are assigned to help yung southern and yung northern and the eastern part. So may mga assignments na yung mga ibang regions.